Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how our software will log in and how to use this scanner. So this is our application, you can see here in this desktop. Okay, I'll just make a double click on this and you see it is opening now. As you are seeing here, it has login successfully here and it is downloading the contract notes. Whatever the stocks are available, it will load here and automatically Excel file is getting opened. Okay, as soon as this Excel is opened, you can see here there are many stocks which is already, and this is our dashboard. Okay, so what I'll do is here I'll activate only FNO and I don't want to subscribe for NSE equity stocks. You can see here all the data it is getting downloaded. Once this data is downloaded, you can see the prices will start fluctuating here. And as I said, today we have a buy call in put options. Okay, this is all our put options, hence the data is getting downloaded. We are not able to see any data here. Once this is loaded, it will take first starting 5 minutes time. This is one time data download every day. Okay, once this data is downloaded here, the prices whichever you are seeing is 0, it will start showing you the levels. As you can see here, now we have, it is getting fetched here, so let's wait for another 2 minutes. Yeah, you can see here we have total all stocks getting downloaded here. You can see all the put options and call options, which level to buy and which level to sell, and what is the selling targets and stop loss, and same way what is the entry levels and exit levels with the stop loss and targets. And this is the M2M, you can see here, and whichever stocks is trading near our buy call, it will show like this. As you see here, today we have a Nifty, Bank Nifty we have a buy call. You can see here all the stocks are in buy levels. You can see here buy levels, and this is a 2 points, just 2 points above from our buying point. Okay, you can see here it is getting fluctuated, so whenever the market prices jumps, it will show the difference. And you can see same way Bank Nifty also we had a buy call in all May, June and June contracts. You can see here we have a buy call activated in Nifty, Bank Nifty futures. Same way you can, if you see here, call options we had a buy levels at 890, and you can see here now the LTP price is 974 and our buy was around 890. So you can see almost 82 points Bank Nifty, all the future options are above our buying levels. Okay, same way in put option it is going a sell levels now. As you see here, you can write the put options. This all put options, it is showing the put option rate. This is how our software works, and you can see call options even now Nifty, Bank Nifty are near our buying levels in call options in Nifty, but in whereas in Bank Nifty it is already went up and it is trading our targets. I'll show you this in chart. So let's open today's chart. So we'll take example for any of these options. As you see here, 48,500 call options, 48,500 Bank Nifty call option. Okay, I have added here. I'll put a chart. I'll select a 5 minutes intraday chart and I'll show you where was our buying levels. It was at 890. So you can see here somewhere around this point, and you can see this time here at 10 o'clock 5 minutes we got a buying level touched here. As soon as we got a buy call at 890, it came up to 840 also. But where was our stop loss? It was at, stop loss was around 800. So you can see here, this was the stop loss. Okay, I'll mark this in red color. So this was the stop loss and this was the buying levels. And as soon as 890 bought, it went up to 994. And what was our first target? Our first target was at 890 to 988. 988, and you can see 993 is the high. So this has touched this our today's first target. So same way you can cross check any of these stocks. Okay, you can see any of these stocks, it has hit our first targets. So this is how our scanner will work. This is very simple process. Just you have to log in our website, log into our application, set the contracts which you want to trade. Okay, so this is the monthly contract we are placed for trading, and this one you can set for the algo trade also. I'll just show you a sample how algo trade will work. This is the application, backend application we have set here, and I'll show you a sample, small sample kind of thing where you can do auto trading. So you can see here, this is the SBI and Tata TCS have added here, and you can see I have set here buy call, quantity is 1, stop loss, target, everything I have set here. Okay, buy above I will change to no LTP is 829. What I'll do is 832 above I will want to place a buy order, and my stop loss will be around 800 and target will be around 860. Like this you can place, and I'll just try to execute this order in the front end. I should place the execute in this column, U column, EXECUTE. As soon as I press execute and submit, it will place the order. It won't place the order immediately because it is waiting for above and below levels. So here you can see it has taken this above or below levels, and it is waiting for this levels to touch. As soon as this levels touch, it will get executed. Same way I'll place one more order with a market order. You can see here limit price I have set market, and here what I'll do is in new column I'll place execute. As soon as I press execute, this will send the order to broker. You can see here this order TCS, I have showed you TCS, one buy call, price at market, it is submitted the order, and this is the MIS order. As I mentioned here, it is MIS order, and you can see this order is been taken. Okay, you can see here this order is been taken here. So this is how it will work. Okay, so and here it is waiting for this above levels to cross. So what I'll do is I'll make a separate video where I'll be completely explaining how these things will work. But here already we have set the formula. Like if you don't know anything for any formulas, and if you are not expert in Excel, so we using this scanner, you can set all the trades algo trading. You can set auto trader in your using your Alice Blue login details, and this will give the auto trader. As you see here, we have set all the things, and this Excel sheet is very benefit for the persons who are can't be sitting in front of the system all the time and can't watch the levels. So they people can just set the quantity over here, and in dashboard if you just select the date, whereas I have not selected the auto trade today. So if I set the auto trade exactly today's date, live trade date, and if I select on, then all the orders will be passed to the exchange using this Excel software. So you need not to sit in front of the system all the time. This is how our Excel sheet will work. If you have any idea like to purchase this software, what you can do is you can go to our website excelalgotrader.in. So this software is available in our website, that is excelalgotrader.in. If you go here you will option called buy now. Okay, as soon as you click on this buy now, our software, you have to click on this. This software cost is around 11,999, but we are providing at a discounted price for 4,999 rupees. Just add to cart. Okay, it will take to you here. Proceed to checkout. Okay, you can log into your Google, or you can just create your details, fill the details over here, and you can submit the place to order. Once you click on this, it will take to your, you can make a payment using your phone pay, Google Pay. It will show the UPI code. From there, once the payment is done, we will call and install this software in your system. Okay, within 10-15 minutes the software can be installed in your system and you can start using this software. If you have any doubts, you can contact on this number. Here you can click on this contact. Here this contact number 8553029884. This number you can contact. See here, now even now in somewhere part in Karnataka, Mysore, just 5 hours before someone purchased this software. So most of the people are using this software and they are getting benefit from this application. Okay, you need to just log in, understand the strategy and set the quantity. That's it. Your algo trading will start executing the orders. So if you have any doubts, you can call to the given number. In description I have given the link from where you can purchase this Auto Excel algo trading software. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.